Kia ora, kumusta? Hello, and we're here again in our daily tutorials, and we're going to talk about the Java Development Kit JDK 11 installation for Windows because we've been receiving many requests from the people that watch my previous tutorials, and it seems that they don't know how to install the JDK and the JVM in their computers. This tutorial, we're going to walk you through to the JDK 11 installation for Windows, and we're going to use the open source version of Java Development Kit. The Open JDK version that we're going to utilize is created by Amazon and it is called Amazon Corretto. And the JDK version 11, which is the LTS or long-term support version of Java, is the one that we're going to install. And the reason for using Amazon Corretto is that because it has free support and it is being used in many Amazon production servers. And James Gosling, referred to as the Dr. Java, the founder and lead designer behind the Java programming language, works in Amazon. Amazing, right? Now, why use JDK 11 and not the later or the earlier versions? Well, the Java Development Kit comes in many different versions, and normally we would choose the latest version from different JDK vendors such as Oracle, IBM, Red Hat, Azure Systems, and Amazon, which we'll be using for this tutorial. So, why JDK 11? Normally, a new release would expire after 6 months prior to its release, and as posted in Oracle's Java SE support roadmap, JDK 11 will have a premier support until September 2023, and it will be extended until September 2026. And the other versions are not specified, and JDK 11 is more and well defined in the Oracle website. And normally, large companies that uses Java in their development utilizes the LTS, the long-term support versions, and it is quite a hassle if developers would update their codes every release of the JDK. Now, without further ado, let's move on to the JDK installation steps. Alright, welcome to the installation process of our JDK, and now I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to install it successfully on your Windows computer. First, you have to go to your browser and search for Amazon Corretto. Amazon Corretto 11. And then locate for the one that says docs.awsamazon.com, which would normally be in the first top result of the browser. So click on that one, and then once you're in this page, you just have to scroll down and locate for this table. Okay, and this is where you will see the versions for your Windows computers. And just scroll down a little, and there are two versions for Windows: the Windows x86 and Windows x64. Now, Windows x64 is used for 64-bit Windows version, and Windows x86 is used for 32-bit version of Windows. So before you would do anything else, check your computer if what version of Windows is it using. Just go to the search bar here in your computer and type 32, and look for see if you have a 32-bit or 64-bit version of Windows. Click on that one, and then here you will see which system type is your computer using. and it's a 64-bit operating system. That's why we have to close that one and download the 64 x64 version. Click on a link. The internet is a little bit slow, that's why you have to bear with us for a moment. And it's still downloading. It says 2 hours left, and I'll see you once it's done. Okay? Now, because the download is taking too long and I cannot wait anymore, what you will have to do when you're done downloading is to click on this arrow and open when done. And once it opens up, it will just run the installer, and it will lead you to the installation process. And as for me, I'm going to cancel this one and just uh, copy, because I have a copy on my other computer, a copy of this installer. So let's just do that for now. But you will definitely do the same process as I'm doing. So the file name is going to be Amazon Corretto 11.9.12.1 Windows x64 MSI, something like that. And I'll just have to copy this one into this terminal. Again, the process, your installation process would be different, because you'll be downloading it by yourself, and just locate the file where it is downloaded and double click on it. Or as I said, just click this arrow and then open when done, and you will be able to begin the installation process. So I'll just copy this for a moment. I'm actually doing this for a friend. They asked me to download and install Java 11 and IntelliJ IDEA for them, and that's why I'm making a video about it. As you can see, this is taking too long because it's using an HDD instead of SSD. So for me, it took me 5 seconds to copy this one. It's quite taking a lot. Well, okay, finally, just double click on this one, then tap on next, and then next. Just remember the file location, because we're going to need that one later on when we're going to link it with IntelliJ IDEA. So just tap on next and then click on install. Click on yes. And then click on finish. And we're done. Once again, thank you for watching my video, and for the installation of IntelliJ IDEA, I have that link in the description below if you want to know how to install IntelliJ IDEA. And then later on, I will be showing you how to link these two together, the JDK 11 and the IntelliJ IDEA, so that they will work together.